Hey guys, just a quick fix on this Honda overhead console. This is out of a 2015 CRV, but a lot of Hondas have these style overhead consoles. This is where the map lights would go and the home link for your garage door opener. But what happens is that after some time, this sunglass holder doesn't stay closed anymore. So I pulled this out of the car, and what I found was on the side here is this little clip that has a little mechanism that's supposed to keep this thing closed. As you can see, it won't stay closed. But simply by tightening this screw down nice and snug, now it stays closed where it should be, and also it's got this conversation mode with a mirror on it. So rather than spend 60-70 bucks on a new overhead console, just pull the thing out and tighten that screw down, and then your sunglass holder will stay in place. And there are other videos on how to remove and install this overhead console. Alright, that's it.